All right, this is a new camera using a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I am trying a new camera, a new microphone. Hopefully this will keep video quality a little bit better, maybe audio a little bit better. As you can see, I am not currently in my garage. I am actually in my office, just kind of doing my own thing tonight. So yeah, but I just wanted to try out the new camera, make a new video, see how well this thing works. Currently I'm trying an auto subject focus, so it's going to keep me in frame, hopefully. Let's see if I can, yeah, we'll see how this works. Again, I hope audio is good, I hope video is good, but I do have a rant. You know how my speaker in my garage, I took a video of it the other day, that it decided to light itself on fire almost. So what I've done, I went looking for new speakers online or used speakers online, found a really nice set of speakers and made a deal with the guy to go look at them. And he assured me they're all good speakers. They're great shape. I get there and all the surround, like the foam on the surround is come off. It's delaminated from the surround from the actual speaker foam itself. I mean, like, the pictures, like, he must have taken perfect pictures. Like, the foam isn't missing or anything. It's just detached itself. But he never sold it to you. He never told me that. I drove half an hour out there to go see these speakers. And not once did he mention that these were detached, or, you know, he's like, oh no, they're good speakers. They work good. You can see that, you know, like this, like they sound good. And I'm like, yeah. I said, but as soon as you turn the volume up on them, they're going to start rattling. They're going to start, you know, self-destructing. And I am going to have to refoam the surrounds or replace the woofers or whatever. I said, and for the price you're asking, I says, it's not worth my money. It's not worth my time. I said, thank you for nothing. And I walked away. But yeah, if you're selling something online, I mean, represent to the best of your ability. If there's any defects, tell them your defects, or not your defects, but the defects of the item. You know, just don't hide shit. That frustrates me. Like, I wasted an hour of my night driving there, driving back. You know, I could have been out in the garage. I could have been playing with this camera in the garage, but no, I've got other things to do. And an hour of my time, plus, you know, it's actually more than that. It was about an hour and a half total. Gone. And it's just frustrating and annoying. And anyway, that's my rant for tonight. Apologies for not being out in the garage. I had plans to do stuff, but obviously that's not going to happen. Tomorrow I got to go out and finish the extension pipe on my manifold, so that I can take it on Saturday to get welded. He has confirmed, if he's watching this video, he knows I'm coming. But yeah, so I don't know. Let's see how this camera works. See how the audio works. And here's to day 19 of the month of May. I'd use the other hand, but it's holding the camera because I don't have a mount for it yet. Anyway, see ya.